Welcome to Brainmasters videos. Okay, today I'll be doing on binomial formula for n choose r. Okay, so this is the question. Evaluate the following for part A: 7 choose 3, the exact term, and then for B is n choose 4. Okay, so let's look at the formula first. Okay, for n choose r. Okay, so already here. Okay, n choose r is actually in the general formula. It actually is written as n factorial over r factorial and n minus multiply to n minus r factorial. What does it mean? Factorial means that your number will actually reduce. Okay, from will be going in a reducing form, but it will multiply together. So example, if I have 5 factorial, okay, it actually means that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm actually multiplying them together. So it's actually a decreasing form. So n factorial and so on and so forth. So these are actually reducing. Okay, so it actually depends on what is the number. Okay, let's look at the question for part A. It says 7 choose 3, okay, which means this is the 4th term actually. Alright, because the term, remember when we start, is actually 7 choose 0. So this is the 4th term. Okay, so now over here, what does it actually represent? Is your 7 factorial over 3 factorial, and then your 7 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so how we find is that we will have 7 factorial is 7 multiplied to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 over, okay, your 3 factorial will be written as 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 and multiplied to 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 factorial is 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 and multiply 1. So actually you can see that there's something you can cancel off or reduce. Okay, the top and bottom. So here 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can cancel everything off. 3 times 2 is 6. So I cancel off the 6. So my answer will be 35. Okay. So this is what I have for my part A. Now, sometimes along the way you will actually see that your questions, okay, further down you will see some of them actually using n term, okay, meaning like part B. So what you need to understand is you will have to always see in this form. You can write it into this way as n factorial over 4 factorial multiplied to n minus 4 factorial. Okay, don't worry. All you need to do is make sure that you multiply them or write them into your algebra. Okay, so following the same way, here n factorial you can actually write it into n multiply n minus 1. Just keep going lower and lower, smaller and smaller in terms of number. Okay, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, and so on and so forth. But I'm not going to write all. Why? Later you will see why. Okay, so divide by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then multiply by, since I have n minus 4, I have no number. So I'll start from the smallest, which the first number is n minus 4, followed by n minus 5, n minus 6, okay, so on and so forth. So you see, n minus 4, n minus 5 onwards, they are all cancelling off, just like the one over here. Okay, so all I need to do is simplify this part. So nothing to do for me here. I don't want to expand because the number will be too big. Okay, in terms of power, it will be too long. So I'll leave it as it is. So n multiplied to n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3. Okay, over, okay, 4, 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. So this is what I have for my answer. Okay, so you can actually leave this first because this is not an individual question in your exam. Okay, what it will be is usually they will come up with another further question and then you will need to solve using your algebra. Okay, but for this now, you need to know how to do your individual simplifying for the n term. Okay, so this is what you have now. So for any other questions, you can actually log on to our website here to practice on. We will have practice question for you. Then if you really like our teaching videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.